So I just got my first package from China that shipped after New Year's, but during the, I guess, quarantine period still. So it came via DHL, so I would assume that it's been checked properly and scanned for the virus, but just in case, I was speaking to Ben before and he said, spray it with IPA. So I've just sprayed the box with IPA. It stinks. And then maybe I might go get an aerosol can and a lighter and just spray it with some flames first before I open it. Do you guys want to know what's inside? I'm going to share it with you if I feel the courage to open it. Okay, excuse the messy desk. And my good morning coffee. So let's open this up. Well, see if anyone can guess what it is before it's open. A box in a box. I wonder if the box will have branding on it. Give it away. So if there was virus, I've let it out now, right? Okay, box in a box. Anything? No, no branding on the box. Here we go. And that's what I got. Foam. No. I got a new camera for my microscope. And it is the Eakins. I don't know what the C202U is. This should be the Sony IMX290 with the autofocus. It damn well better be. So it comes with a mouse, USB power cable, little power adapter. Of course there is, that I can't use, but it's just USB, which is fine. So it's USB powered by this cable. That's a HDMI cable. Let's move this out of the way. So, as many of you know, my camera on my microscope is terrible, and I'm not sure if this is going to be much better considering they're still going to go through the microscope's optics. But at least this is autofocus. Well, it's supposed to be autofocus. And it's replacing this, my little one that came with it. And I'm really hoping that these connectors are the same size, because I didn't know what adapter to get, and obviously I couldn't speak to anyone. Okay, that looks like it can be compatible. Yes. That's a good start. Okay, excellent. And then this goes down here. I'm not sure if this is going to do anything in this case. The zoom, maybe it will. Very hard to get that tight, by the way. Now, probably a bit dirty in there now, but this attaches just here, like that. Except, which way is straight? I guess that will be straight, except I can't get my hand in there to tighten it. Not very well anyway. Okay, so this should allow me to show you guys what I'm working on if I use my scope on my streams or in a video with autofocus, which will be great, and hopefully better colour than what this one had. Let's put the lens on that one. And what it'll also allow me to do is just use this as a camera if I just want to do some inspection and don't want to put my eyes in front all the time and strain my eyes. So it's quite big, as you can see, and it only runs off the mouse. So there's power in, HDMI out, the top one is for mouse, and the bottom one is for a USB key. So it's all controlled by the mouse on screen, which is a bit annoying, but that's the way they all work. Okay, well it definitely works. As you can see over here, that's just viewing the HDMI out on my computer. And mouse control works, so I can click on a particular item. Sometimes the mouse seems to get slow and lock up, which is really annoying. Probably can't see where the mouse is right now, it's just over here. I think the parts on this board are too shiny right now. If I just grab the board and I rotate it around, as you can see, pretty good focus. Sorry about the printing in the background. Alright, if I can get up nice and close. Look at that APA. See, the picture gets a bit stuttery sometimes, and that just could be the way I'm capturing it on my Mac right now, I don't know. I'm hoping this will be usable on a stream. But the autofocus is definitely working, even if the update is not. Let's see if we can see inside the USB. Yeah. So I need to work out what this stuttering is, and it could just be the capture device I'm using. It's a pretty crappy one. I'll move it over to the Elgato instead and see if that can improve things. That's the one I normally use on my stream. But in terms of a camera and its detail, it's way better than what I had before, as you can see. If I can fix the stuttering, it looks promising that I'll be able to use this on streams again. And just to show you, like if I move the mouse up to the corner, this is the UI where I can set manual focus or autofocus. I can adjust the area of influence where it's looking, brightness and gain, shutter speed, colors, contrast, sharpness. What I need to solve now is how do I keep my microscope still, because you can see there's a bit of wobble when I'm moving around on the desk. So that's going to make things a little bit annoying. That's it. Just wanted to show you my new toy that I got. We'll go into a lot more detail on it in the future, maybe on a stream. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to sub if you haven't subbed already. Don't forget to click the alarm bell to be notified when I've got new videos coming out. Thanks to my patrons, you're awesome. It was your contributions that allowed me to buy this new camera. And until next time, catch you later. Bye.